There are many ways to define who is Russian. This video outlines 3 and a few of their implications. These images are Russian as ethnically Russian, Russian as Russian-speaking, or Russian as Slavic. That would be a category that includes people who are Belarusian or Ukrainian as Russian. Ethnically Russian is one of the simpler definitions. These are people with ethnic origins in the original Russian Tsardom centered on Moscow in the 1500s. The Russian Empire, which was formally founded in the early 1700s, expanded quickly to include other ethnic groups early on. So there's long been a tension between the idea of Russian as an ethnic group and Russian as a designator of subject status, later citizenship, in the Russian Empire. This is reflected today in the fact that there are 2 words in Russian for the word Russian. Ruski refers to Russian ethnicity and language, while Rossiyski refers to citizenship within Russia. Russian identity also has a strong link to the Russian language, to the extent that when we talk about Russian minorities in the Baltics and Central Asia, we usually refer to the Russian-speaking minorities, not Russian ethnic minorities. There are 2 reasons for this. First, Russians do this to avoid tension between the ethnic and civic definitions of Russianness within Russia itself. The other is that speaking Russian remains a strong marker of identity, in Central Asia at least. For example, there are many urban, educated Kyrgyz citizens, of both Kyrgyz and Uzbek origin, who grew up only speaking Russian, and they'll make class judgments based on other people's Russian-speaking skills. Finally, I want to mention Russian as Eastern Slav. This identity has its roots in the medieval state of Kievan Rus, which was a precursor state to the Russian Empire. This was a principality centered on Kiev that included much of the same territory as the later Muscovite state. In this conception of identity, Russia is Big Russia, that's Novorossiya, Ukraine is Little Russia, that's Malorussiya, and Belarus is White Russia, Byelorussiya. This image is obviously favored only by those who seek reunification of these 3 states.